Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're analyzing a cantilever beam carrying a uniformly distributed load, a beam fixed at one end and completely free at the other. Here's our beam. End A is built into a rigid wall, which restrains vertical movement, horizontal movement, and rotation. End B, however, is completely free, no support at all. The beam spans a length L, and a uniformly distributed load of intensity W acts downward along the entire span, giving a total load of W times L. Every bit of that load must find its way back to the wall. Unlike the fixed-end beam, a cantilever is statically determinate. Equilibrium gives us everything. Summing vertical forces, the wall must carry the entire load, so the vertical reaction is WL taking moments about A. The load's resultant acts at midspan, a distance L over 2 from the wall, so the wall must also provide a restraining moment of WL squared over 2. That single fixed support does all the work. Now the shear force diagram. Cutting at a distance x from the wall, the shear equals the load remaining beyond the cut, W times L minus x. The diagram starts at its maximum, WL, right at the wall, and falls in a straight line to zero at the free end. Notice there is no zero crossing within the span. The shear is positive everywhere, and greatest where the beam meets the wall. The bending moment diagram tells a similar story. At the cut, the moment is negative W over 2 times L minus x squared. This is a parabola, but unlike our earlier beams, it is negative along the entire span. The cantilever hogs everywhere, with tension along its top face. The moment is zero at the free end, and builds steadily to its maximum magnitude at the wall, WL squared over 2. That is 4 times the simply supported maximum. Cantilevers pay a heavy price in bending. Finally, the deflection. The elastic curve leaves the wall perfectly horizontal, then curls downward, steeper and steeper, to its maximum at the free end. That tip deflection is WL to the 4th, over 8 EI, and nearly 10 times the midspan deflection of the same beam simply supported. Span for span, a cantilever deflects dramatically more. Let's recap. For a cantilever under a uniformly distributed load, the wall provides a vertical reaction of WL and a fixed end moment of WL squared over 2. The shear force is maximum at the wall and zero at the free tip. The bending moment is hogging everywhere, peaking at WL squared over 2 at the wall. And the tip deflection is WL to the 4th, over 8 EI. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.